Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to review a SITE123 web editor. What I don't really like about other YouTube videos reviewing SITE123 or even a blogs about how SITE123 is amazing is that they are all selling the affiliate links. Like everyone is selling affiliate links and they're not saying the truth about the program. And this is what I don't like. Like I made hundreds of tutorials about various web editing tutorials. I was advising a lot of how to improve a site, how to make more money with the site. And I think I have the expertise or the knowledge. And I want to guide you through the pricing plans. This is the most important thing you need to look up about website editors. Then we will look about the simplicity of the site, how we can use it. And then I will talk to you about the things which I don't personally like and what I recommend you to do, because this is really important. Many people will say, oh my God, this program is amazing, you should use it. But what I wanted to show you is to okay, don't use this, but you can use something else. That's really, really important. So let's start and let's do this. Let's start with a simple pricing of SITE123. The first thing I personally don't like is when someone can't sell you the monthly basis of the product. So when I go here to SITE123 pricing, okay, and we are going to compare with the Squarespace, with the Shopify, and also with the Wix, so we can see you can see the truth. So no, this is not upgrade. This is the pricing here. So you can see here that you got four options for SITE123. And let's say that you are going to go with a professional, which is $12 a month, which is acceptable. And you're gonna have it for 1 year. So you need to pay like, what is it? 200 or 100, I don't know, 70, who cares? But you can't change it to 1 month. And this is what I don't like, because why you don't allow me to buy it and try it for 1 month to see if it's really good? Why you push me to pay minimal 3 months of it? And let me show you something. They ask for 3 months. For 1 month, when you choose the 3-month basic, they ask you for $30 a month. Are you kidding me? So and let's compare it for you. 90 gigabyte storage, 40 gigabytes bandwidth. Let's start with the Squarespace. $30 a month. Squarespace, which is in my mind much better, much easier to use, much more apps for using. Its simplicity, it's great. The customer support is amazing too. They ask you for business monthly 24 euro. That's like $26, and you're gonna have Google AdWords credits, SSL security, unlimited bandwidth and storage. Here you have only 90 gigabytes of storage and 40 gigabytes of bandwidth. You're kidding me, right? So, and if you would compare everything, you would see that you get like so many things here. Gifts. It's like, what the hell is this? Why would you ask so much money for it? And it's like 3 months. In Squarespace, you have it monthly. Why people don't see this? Why other YouTubers and blogs don't write about this stuff? Okay, and let's continue. Shopify, $29 a month. And like Shopify is like another level if you want to focus on dropshipping with Oberlo and everything. And we will get to it, what you can do in SITE123 and what you can do in Shopify and Wix and others. Also, you got great support of the customers, 24/7 support. Then you got, oh my God, then you got here that you can really edit a lot in Shopify, and you got a lot of plugins to use. So you can really play around with the site in Shopify. In SITE123, you are really limited. You are really limited what you can do, how you can manage your e-commerce page, how you can manage your checkout page or shipping page. It's really limited. And okay, let's go last to the Wix. So when I go here to Wix, right? Let's go back. You have upgrade your salary with the premium plan. Also, you can see it here, $250 a month But this is a yearly. But you get unlimited bandwidth, 10 gigabytes of storage, okay, acceptable. But when I'm going to like select this, and when I go to the monthly, that's 16 euro. Compare it again. I know the storage is lower, but you get unlimited bandwidth, acceptable. But look at this, 30 bucks a month for 3 months, every month. Here you go with a 16 euro. And Wix and Shopify and Squarespace are like here on level of quality. Oh, sorry, I lost the focus here. I hope it will get back. Yep. It's here, and here is SITE123. I mean, I'll be honest, like, what the hell? And let's go. So, what I like about SITE123, I know that 5 minutes I was destroying it, but what I like is simplicity and how we can use it. So, just add new page here. You can just easily add like sales and add e-commerce. And you got really simple e-commerce here. What I don't like is then you can't really edit the space between your categories, right? So when you're gonna have a category here, you can't change the space, and I don't know how to do it. Look at this. I can't edit the space here. Am I crazy? But okay, acceptable. It's the simplicity. It's how would I name it in Paint. Is that you got this and that will happen this, but you can't edit anything here. You just need to accept that this is going to have to be. Understand. Now, let's continue. That this is like, what you see is what you get, and this is how you edit it. What I like is about also simplicity when you want to have like your own products. So let's say I'm going to blow earnings here, and you can't add counting here. You can't edit this here, honestly. Add to cart. Okay, now make an order. When I fulfill everything, save and continue. And you get like also delivering option, save and continue. And then you get a payment. Okay, so this is really simple, but you can't also edit it. You can play around it. You can change the colors of the buttons, yes, but that's like all. And now I can imagine, why would someone choose this and wouldn't choose rather Wix or Squarespace? If you want to have like blogging, go with the WordPress and Elementor, or just choose like free theme and just watch tutorial on how to make it worth it. But what the hell? So, okay, let's continue. Now, what I don't really like also about the site, and I'm not like, oh my god, here are the affiliate links for another type of sites. No. I'm just honest here what I think about it. What I don't like other that you don't have the back option. Let me show you. In Photoshop or in Shopify or whatever, when I'm going to like open a shoes right here, and I will just edit it. You can go to here and undo the things, right? Do you think, step backward, do you think that you can do it here? Let's say that you are editing a contact us page, and you edit it, you really play around it on how you can do it, and you just like randomly deleted it, or you did something you didn't want to do, like delete the gallery. Do you think that there is some like back option that you can go back? No, there is not. There is not. And it's like, god damn. Then when I go here to return the dashboard, also like the whole dashboard seems so clumsy, so 2008 year, and yeah, and but this is just beyond me. The pricing is just so damn expensive, and no one file mailbox, no 2000. No one will convince me that it's not. Comparing to the competition, this is not a good deal for you. It's not. Also, blogging. Okay, store. Choose Shopify. Choose Squarespace. 10,000 times better. Blogging, WordPress, Webflow. Or even, yeah, Webflow is good for blogging. But you need to be, or Weebly. Weebly or Webflow. These are good. Or even Mobilize. Like, god damn. Yeah, don't use this site. Don't use it. And I know that someone is going from side watching it, how I destroyed it, but that's the truth. This is the truth. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. Also, you have links for Shopify down below. And that's kind of it. So thank you, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. This was rough.